So we don't just clean the Chesapeake Bay.
You like what I did there?
But we're also trying to clean up misconceptions about your health when it comes to applying for life insurance. In general, it's never good to procrastinate on applying for life insurance. But there are some circumstances related to your health where waiting might be in your best interest. See, one of the things insurers look at is how much weight you've lost over the past 12 months. So even though a lower BMI, which is just your ratio of height to weight, is much more favorable, if that lower BMI was just achieved because you lost a bunch of weight on some sort of health journey, many life insurers actually look at that unfavorably because rapid increases and decreases in your weight over a short period of time often signifies to them some sort of health condition. That is often the case for people who experience severe health conditions. Once you've remained that lower weight beyond the last year, it'll start to have less of an impact because it shows that this was a stable and planned way of losing weight, not some drastic event. And of course, the exact same goes in the opposite way if you have a rapid increase in weight. Next is if you stop smoking. Life insurance policy with a tobacco rating versus one without a tobacco rating, and no, you do not have to be an actual smoker to get a tobacco rating. Tobacco ratings are still given out for vapes, chew, dip, Zens, really just the nicotine that they care about. If you've recently quit within the past year, the company will still give you a tobacco rating. You have to be upwards of a year clean off tobacco altogether before they're willing to issue a non-tobacco rating. And we're talking about the difference in monthly premium of roughly almost half for the same amount of coverage for the same person. So if you've recently quit within the past year and need to apply for a life insurance policy, you should just go ahead and wait. And the last one's for the ladies out there. If you've recently had a baby, you should wait before you apply for a life insurance plan. In fact, most life insurers mandate that you wait past your postpartum checkup before you can actually be approved for anything. The real issue that we often find here is that many women during their pregnancy experience complications only related to the pregnancy. Things like lower iron in their blood making them appear anemic or gestational diabetes. If treatment for these conditions were recent enough to the application date, you might not get outright penalized for it, but it could likely keep you from enjoying a preferred or super preferred rating. You still could have been paying a cheaper premium. Now, if none of these circumstances apply to you, you should just go ahead and stop procrastinating. In fact, start procrastinating on procrastinating.